Technology and vision, assistive devices for the blind. Technology has played a significant role in improving the quality of life for individuals with visual impairments. Assistive devices are now available that help individuals with visual impairments to navigate the world around them and carry out daily activities with greater ease and independence. In this article, we will explore some of the assistive devices that are available to help individuals with visual impairments. Screen readers. Screen readers are software programs that read text displayed on a computer screen aloud. They allow individuals with visual impairments to access digital content, such as emails, web pages, and electronic documents. Screen readers use synthetic speech to vocalize the text and can also provide audio cues to help users navigate through the content. Braille displays. Braille displays are devices that allow individuals with visual impairments to read digital content in Braille. They use a series of pins to create tactile dots that correspond to the letters of the Braille alphabet. Braille displays can be used with screen readers to provide a more comprehensive and accessible reading experience. Electronic magnifiers. Electronic magnifiers are handheld devices that use a camera to magnify text or images. They can be particularly helpful for individuals with low vision who need to enlarge text or images to read or see them more clearly. Electronic magnifiers can also be useful for tasks such as reading menus, labels, and other print materials. GPS navigation. GPS navigation systems can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who need assistance with navigation. These systems provide audible directions and can be used with other assistive devices, such as Braille displays, to provide a more comprehensive and accessible navigation experience. Optical character recognition (OCR) software. OCR software is used to convert printed text into digital text that can be read by screen readers or displayed on Braille displays. This software can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who need to access printed materials, such as books, documents, and other printed materials. Talking watches and clocks. Talking watches and clocks are devices that provide audible time announcements. They can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who may have difficulty reading traditional clocks or watches. Voice-activated assistants. Voice-activated assistants, such as Amazon's Alexa or Google Home, can be used to carry out a range of tasks, such as setting reminders, making phone calls, and controlling smart home devices. They can be particularly helpful for individuals with visual impairments who may have difficulty using traditional devices or interfaces. In conclusion, technology has played a significant role in improving the quality of life for individuals with visual impairments. Assistive devices, such as screen readers, Braille displays, GPS navigation systems, and electronic magnifiers, have made it possible for individuals with visual impairments to navigate the world around them and carry out daily activities with greater ease and independence. As technology continues to evolve, it is likely that even more innovative and effective assistive devices will become available, further improving the lives of individuals with visual impairments. Smart glasses. Smart glasses are wearable devices that can provide individuals with visual impairments with a range of features to help them navigate the world around them. Smart glasses can include features such as facial recognition, object recognition, and GPS navigation. These features can help individuals with visual impairments to identify people and objects, navigate unfamiliar environments, and avoid obstacles. Electronic Braille displays. Electronic Braille displays are devices that allow individuals with visual impairments to read digital content in Braille. They use refreshable Braille cells that can display one line of Braille at a time. Electronic